Okay, 51, they want us to solve and then represent the answer on a number line. So, okay, so A is 2 times 3p plus 1 is greater than negative 4. So we distribute and we get 6p plus 2, right? Distribute the 2 in. Is greater than negative 4. We subtract 2 from both sides and we get 6p is greater than negative 6. We divide by 6 and we get p is greater than negative 1. And on a number line, right, this would be represented 0, 1, negative 1, right? Greater than is an open circle, right? And greater than negative 1, and greater than is to the right. So there would be my graph. Okay, the next one, let's make space. B, we have 9k minus 2 is less than 3k plus 10. Subtract 3k from both sides, we get 6k minus 2 is less than 10. Add 2 to both sides, 6k is less than 12. And divide both sides by 6, k is less than 2. So here's our number line, 0, 2, negative 2. Okay, less than 2, that's an open circle, right? Open circle for less than or greater than, closed circle for less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. And less than is to the left. And there's our graph. And the last one, let's make space. C, we have 5 minus h is greater than or equal to 4. Subtract 5 from both sides, and we have negative h is greater than or equal to negative 1, right? 4 minus 5. And then multiply both sides by negative 1, or divide both sides by negative 1. Now remember, when you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, you have to flip the inequality. So it becomes less than or equal to, h is less than or equal to 1. So the graph for this, 0, 1, negative 1, right? So less than or equal to is a closed circle, right? And less than is this way, right? And there's your graph for C.